Namaste, welcome back to Shakti Yoga with Shaili. In this video, we will learn the Superman pose. That's the popular name, and this pose strengthens our core. Why to strengthen the core, you may ask? Well, the core wraps around our torso, including the muscles in the side and the back. So having a strong core isn't only about getting a flat belly or the six-pack abs, but it's also about having a strong, stable, stronger mid-region of the body. Let's learn a simple movement to strengthen the core. Let's take the tabletop position. Make sure that you have your wrists and shoulders in one straight line and your hips and knees in one straight line. Your back is straight, shoulders are relaxed. Look at a point in front of you, not up, not down, but just ahead of you. From here, we will first warm up our back. Take a deep breath in, drop your belly, lift your head up. As you exhale, curl your spine, drop your head. Inhale, you drop your belly, expand your chest, look up. As you exhale, you curl your spine, round your shoulders in, drop your head. Cats and cows, take a deep breath in, look up. As you exhale, curl your spine, look down. At your own pace, deep breath in, look up. Exhale, curl the spine, look down. Take a deep breath in, and on this inhalation, come back to your neutral tabletop position. Stay firm in this position and raise your right leg off the ground. Keep your leg in line with your hip. Don't take it too high. Keep your hips squared. Suck your belly button in towards the spine, engaging the core muscles. Don't bend your elbows. Keep your arms straight, and when you feel steady, lift your left hand off the ground. Feel the energy all the way from the tip of your fingers to the toes. Breathe through the nostrils. Nicely done. Coming out of it, let's take it to the other side. Lift the left leg off the floor. Again, don't take it too high. We want to ensure that the hips are square. The belly button is in towards the spine. Shoulders are squeezed in. And when you feel steady, lift the right hand off the floor. Strong in this position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming out of it. Gently roll yourself back into a seated position. Vajrasana is the best option as of now. Or you can choose Sukhasana and rotate your wrists to let go of any tension. And just like that, my friends, we are done with this simple movement, which will strengthen your core when you practice it every day. I hope by now you are feeling strong like a Superman after practicing this pose. I'll see you soon with another video. Do subscribe to my channel and share your feedback with me in the comment section below. Any question, any doubt, write it down and I will definitely respond. Thank you so much.